Welcome to Dollar Tree, 25 things for 2025 to get organized.
Everything in this video is truly helpful. The collapsible storage containers, if you line it with one of the Dollar Tree plastic bins, they'll be really reinforced and last a long time. This is one of my favorite hacks and actually works. Try it this year.
The organizing containers are back, and there are some pastel colors coming for the spring, so keep your eyes peeled. But this is what they have in store right now. I love these neutral colors. They have a beautiful green. They also have a light gray, and they even have this taupe color, which is nice and neutral.
And I don't know who needs to hear this today, but you can't organize clutter. Too much stuff, especially things that you don't use, let it go. Maybe you've got that sink that you just haven't gotten to in a long time. Take 5 minutes today and see what you can accomplish.
You could have a brand new start, it's true.
Hidden gems in the electronics section. And first up, they have these super bright lights, as well as these desktop vacuums.
I am not normally one to promote Dollar Tree electronics, you may know this, but this desktop vacuum, as well as these lights, especially in storage areas, I highly recommend. I put ours in our garage. It is perfect for low visibility and so bright. And these desktop vacuums are great, especially if you have littles or just a lot of crumbs on your countertops. You can run this over the top to help clean it up really quickly. I was surprised by how awesome this did. It's like a mini Roomba. And of course, I had to give it eyes, and Carson named him Kevin. I think it really fits him. But I also want to say that as you're cleaning out your cabinets and drawers and you're giving it that beautiful fresh start new cleaning, this works awesome on the inside. I do not know how come crumbs get in all of our drawers, but this product is great and it makes cleaning fun.
This Bytech brand is new. These are automatic remote controlled LED lights, great for closets or small dark spaces, especially small spaces. If you can see it, you're going to use it. I recommend these a lot.
The Dollar Tree battery operated lights are fantastic. They are really bright. So for dark spaces, this one has a magnet in it, so the open and closing of the door can trigger it, or you can push the button, whichever you prefer.
Acrylic organization, you can grab these organizers with lids. I love these. And they even have like smaller wells over there. We use these in a lot of drawers around our house.
This is from the Essentials line, and you can often find them by the hair care and the beauty section. I love using them in the kitchen though. It makes everything so visible, and the plastic is nice and thick on these. They are super sturdy.
I also love these containers. They clip together like this, and they stack really well. These are great in pantries, bathrooms, wherever.
This is really the first year that Dollar Tree has so many neutral bins that aren't these really bright colors. It helps contribute to the calming aesthetic of a space. See if you can take 5 minutes today. Maybe there's that sink that's been driving you crazy. I was helping out a friend today, tackling her closet and under sink. Both of these projects took just 5 minutes. I especially love the clear containers I showed because they stack. They're great for cabinets that are up high because you can take a manageable amount down at a time. Maybe you've got a small space or an awkward one. Do what you need to do to make it work for you. Feel inspired. Check these next ideas out.
The ceramic and wood section has stepped it up, and there are so many hidden organizers. I can't wait to share with you how I use them.
Because the truth is, I haven't even showed you my favorite products yet in this video.
I'm going to start down here with these beautiful leaf trays. If you have not yet created a drop zone when you come in for your keys and your sunglasses, this is so beautiful and only $1.25. Need some high-end organization on a budget? Come to the Valentine's Day section. Look at these boxes. This is so beautiful for makeup, lipstick, jewelry. I'm so excited about this one.
Yes, Dollar Tree, get it. I will say this, make sure whatever you purchase, you have a direct plan for. So the person that I was helping today, I put all of her doggy doo-doo bags in there as well as a flashlight, and this looks beautiful by her front door, and it really fits her aesthetic. Let go of what you don't love to make room for what you do.
I also adore these hooks. Now these are wall art, but you could hang your keys on this, you could hang your purses on this, and it even has a hanger on the back.
She also had some free space on the back of her door, so I added this beautiful flower for her favorite scarf. I was really impressed with this end cap. Have you seen these items in store? I loved how so many of the items were wood and ceramic. And I just want to remind you to be intentional with your purchases. There were lots of really beautiful things and ideas I wanted to test out, but I didn't have to bring all of them home.
Good. Okay, I like this so much. I'm gonna go grab this over here.
I tested out in store and then think about where I'd put it.
These little candlesticks, so you could create a little stand for your jewelry, something in your bathroom, really pretty.
Cool idea, but I didn't need to bring it home. I want to find the things that work for me or the person I'm helping.
Decorative balls, right? These are stunning. They're okay. I got it.
And it's just stuff you gotta manage. When you know, you know. I did bring home a few items though, and they really added to the beauty of my home. They make me feel happy when I walk in a room, and that is the true gift.
This is the spring fling section, which has tons of garden supplies, which you can also use to organize your home. I love these little garden rolling plant trays. You can E6000 or super glue this onto the bottom of bins and containers so they can move around your house or garage.
These are also great just for their intended purpose. If you do this, make sure to use a strong super glue. Dollar Tree has great options, and I really think the sky is the limit.
These are stacking planters, which work really great outside if you have a very small garden space or patio. I love the color this year. For $1.25, these are going fast. These beautiful little spritzers, you can use these for your plants.
They also had these decorative wooden trays. I did away with some of my spray bottles that are just not very pretty, so I could set this one out, and that way I could spritz my air plants. This, if you remember, was a Dollar Tree DIY. I get so many questions about it. I absolutely love how this looks. 100% Dollar Tree.
These woven style baskets are great. I use these in my laundry room along with their glassware. Everything in my laundry room is not plastic, and it all came from Dollar Tree. This one is one of my favorites. It's $3. It has so much heft to it. I use these all over my house.
These are some systems I've been using for a long time, and they work.
Also, I want to remind you, you can't organize clutter, okay? If you are walking into rooms and feeling overwhelmed, Fresh Start, a clutter-free home, just opened. We just began our decluttering journeys in my positive Facebook group. I'm going to be sure to link it down below. So if you are feeling overwhelmed in your house, or you just need somebody to hold your hand and tell you what to do, we tackle every room of your house. It's super positive and encouraging, just like my channel, and I cannot wait to see you there. If you've ever looked around and thought that you can't do it, you didn't have the motivation, you felt overwhelmed, Fresh Start is for you.
Life is too short to not keep it simple, and it's super affordable.
I kept it open this week because many of you were asking, and it's still on sale. So be sure to check before we close our group. New product alert. I love this one. This is a great deal too. A lot of times people think that the Dollar Tree doesn't have as good a quality, but this container is one of my new favorites. This is an underbed storage box. You could also put this in the top of a closet. This size is my favorite because it's manageable, reaching it down from up high or down low. Great for holiday decor. It's just $5.
I would love to hear your recommendations in the comments. I'm so excited to see lots of clear options this year, and I want to share with you a part of my home. Lots of things in this video were in other people's homes that I wanted to help, but this is a trick that I've been using for probably 5 years now that I love, and that's taking these burner covers and Dollar Tree pearls so I can make a DIY turntable. If you can't find the ones that I've been showing in store that are acrylic, this is an amazing option. This is still how my cabinets look today.
2 things you didn't know about, and now you do. They have these multi-use trash bags, which have a peel and stick adhesive. This is great to keep in a car. And be on the lookout for iDesign brand. When Bed Bath & Beyond closed their doors, Dollar Tree acquired a lot of their merchandise. This is an awesome product and worth a lot more than $1.25.
I love using this in the kitchen too. My favorite hack is to peel this off and put this on my countertop. If you're preparing a stew or a veggie tray, or you're cutting up a lot of things, this is a great place to put the scraps. And I want to remind you that the Dollar Tree Plus is now coming to more stores across the country. If you go to Dollar Tree's website, you can find out where the Plus stores are and find those items that are larger.
They even have step stools here for $5. Awesome score.
The largest product this year is this easy storage tote. I absolutely love this for laundry. You could use this for stuffed animals. You could use this in a garage. For $5, it's a definite deal. And there's storage totes. If you're still putting away your holiday decor, this one is a really manageable size. It goes easily into any storage area, but you're not going to break your back getting it out either.
If you want more like it, leave this video a big thumbs up. I'll put a link down to Fresh Start. I would love nothing more than to help you uncover an organized and clutter-free home, my beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today. Guess what? You are enough. I'll see you soon.